What's up guys, Trav White here. Today I'm going to show you 5 incredibly easy ways to style men's long hair. All of these ways require no products. Unless you want to, you can add products in, but they're not a requirement. And the only items you'll need are a hair tie, and for this first one, I'm going to show you a metal headband. And I'll link to the hair ties that I use and the accessories that I'm using for this first one in the description. The reason I like to change up these hairstyles is because it is a confidence booster when you can find a hairstyle that you can rock and love. Your hair is one of the very first things that people see. Another one of the first things that people see is your skin. And that's why I'm excited to have Tiege Hanley as the sponsor of today's video. They have helped me start and maintain my skincare routine, and they make the entire process uncomplicated. Honestly, it's the best skincare system for guys like you and me. I recommend you start with their level 1 system, which comes with all of the basics. It has a daily face wash to get rid of dirt and grime on your skin, a 2 times per week exfoliating scrub to get rid of dead skin cells, an AM moisturizer with SPF 20, because you should always be protecting your skin from the sun, and a PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. One of my favorite parts about Tiege Hanley is that every box comes with an instruction card that tells you exactly how and when to use each product, how much to use, and in what order. They really make the process of achieving and maintaining amazing skin easy. Now, their products have made my skin look and feel better than ever, but you don't have to take my word for it. They have over 5,000 5-star reviews on their website from satisfied customers from around the world. In addition to amazing skin, members of Tiege Hanley get tons of benefits, including at least 20% off retail price, the ability to customize your own box, exclusive monthly deals, and you can pause or cancel at any time, and free US shipping and low-cost shipping to most other countries. And because Tiege Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers a great deal. Just click the link in the description and you will get 30% off your first box plus a free gift. Seriously, 30% off. That's an amazing deal. Click that link in the description to get started today, and let's jump into these 5 incredibly easy ways to style men's long hair. So the first method is going to be using a metal hairband. Now, if you're a guy who's active, you like to keep your hair out of your face, you know, most of the time guys will tie their hair up into a bun, which can be pretty rough, especially on softer, more delicate hairs around your temples and hairline. So using a metal hairband does a great job of keeping your hair out of sight while also allowing you to enjoy those physical activities that you normally would without doing an aggressive bun. The second method is going to be a half up, half down bun. Now, I love this as a go-to style when I'm going out in social events, I'm going out to coffee with friends, or if I'm going out to dinner on a dinner date with my wife or something. This is a great go-to style because it keeps your hair out of your face while also letting, you know, the long hair flow around still. And, you know, this is kind of like the Jon Snow look. If you have a little bit shorter hair, medium length hair, this is also a great hairstyle to do if you are in the awkward phase and you can only bun up the top of your head and you're still waiting for the bottom and sides to grow out. So this is a perfect sort of in-between awkward phase hairstyle, as well as a great long hair hairstyle as well. So the third hairstyle is going to be a low bun. Now this is basically tying it the exact same way that you would a half bun, except you're tying all of your hair at the very bottom, at the nape of your neck. And this is a cool style if you're trying to look a little more professional. I use this style when I go into meetings or if I'm in a professional setting where I need to dress up a little bit more. Maybe you're in a sales role, maybe you are a real estate investor or agent, or just some other more professional workplaces. This is the go-to style that I like to do. Now, if you guys want like detailed tutorials on the specifics on how to tie these things, I do have detailed tutorials on my channel. So I'll link to all those in the description. You can check this out. But this is my go-to professional look. The fourth look that I like to do is a messy highball. Now, this takes a little bit of practice and finesse to get it right. And I have a super slow motion detailed video on how to do this one, specifically the little flick around the head and then the second loop. So if you want to know specifically how to tie this one, you know, I'll link to it in the description. But this is my 95% of the time I'm hanging out, I'm about to eat something. I don't want my hair to get in my face when I'm eating, or I'm just, you know, doing a light workout. Like, this is my go-to style. It's not too tight, and I like the messy look. Now the fifth style is sort of like the Legolas, Geralt of Rivia, just a badass half pony. So this doesn't require you making any sort of bun. It doesn't require any really finesse or technique. You're literally just twisting and twisting around until you have a half ponytail, and you keep the rest of your hair down. And this is also another great like in between if you're sort of in that awkward phase type style as well, because you're just making a ponytail out of the top part of your hair, and you're sort of letting the pieces that can't quite reach all the way around your head just sort of flow. And that's why I like this style. It also looks amazing as your hair gets longer and longer. So those are the 5 styles that are super easy. None of these require any product. And I'll see you guys in the next one.